This is the true. This is my documentary on the animal, the GGG. The GGG uses this, which is its mating dance, to attract female GGGs. Its mating call is a laugh. It's a sort of laughter. It was actually really important because this animal is severely endangered. I don't get why it's doing his mating call to me now, but I don't know. This is a truly majestic animal. Yes. Oh, so truly majestic. Oh, wow. Such beauty. Such fabulousness. Such imbecilicness.
Don't you dare say that about the Goo
I don't get why this thing talked to me, but okay. Yeah, this is my documentary of the GGG, everybody.